1991 Toyota Corolla. Wipers didn't work, same as my truck. I undid the plug, ran a new wire to the top right. It's like a low speed, but it's working. I had this wire used to go with this electric fan. I got 2 fans, but it's cool right now. I can always, don't need the wipers. I'll hook the fan back up with a wire nut. So that's that. Got a new head gasket. Now I got this switch. Got my phone charger, 12-volt plug. Now this Sasquatch switch is my wipers. I've got to shut it off at park, but the fuse up there is melted behind the fuse box. It kept blowing the fuse to the wipers. Now I've eliminated that whole circuit. It's safer, and I have wipers.